Hi everyone, how's it going? I hope you all are doing great and welcome to the new video. And in this video we are going to talk about Linux. See, we are going to start a new series for Linux, so if you're excited to learn about it, just watch this video series. Okay, see, firstly going to it, we should know why Linux is needed, why to learn Linux. So this video is only about why Linux. Okay, and after the video, in the upcoming videos we will learn about the basics of Linux, like the Linux command lines. We'll learn about the vi editor, we learn about the package management and the service management which is provided by Linux. We'll learn about the many DevOps tools like Kubernetes, like Ansible. We'll learn about Helm, we'll learn about Docker and many of the DevOps tools which are now in demand in the today's market. Okay, so let's get started. Why Linux? See, Linux is one of the most loved and the most in demand technologies today. A survey was conducted by Stack Overflow's Insights, and it was found that for development work, developers prefer Linux over other operating systems. See, if you are from a Windows background, I'll highly recommend you learning Linux, because many DevOps tools have a requirement for Linux. Okay, the reason I say this is because many DevOps tools, they are firstly built and they are firstly deployed inside a Linux system only, and after some time they are made available on Windows. For example, Docker came in 2013, and for few years it was only available on the Linux system, and after that it was supported on Windows. Automation tools like Ansible, it is completely Linux based. Orchestration tools like Kubernetes, it is also completely Linux based. So learning Linux is a must for developers and for the DevOps. If you want to go in the field of DevOps, then Linux can be very helpful for you if you know it, if you know its basics from the beginning only. Okay, we learn the Linux has many flavors. It is an open source. Okay, it is an open source operating system, and you can access it anytime on your browser. So if you talk about flavors of Linux, see, Linux has many different flavors. It has Ubuntu, it has CentOS, it has Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and the most loved one is the CentOS. Okay, so that we will covering in this course. Okay, and one more important thing why you should learn Linux. See, if you want to get certified with exams like Kubernetes or Ansible Red Hat exams, these exams are carried out in the Linux system only. So if you want yourself to be certified and if you want to learn these technologies, then Linux is must for you. You have to know Linux in order to clear these exams. Okay, so this was all about Linux, and some basic things about Linux like vi editor, that I think I told you in the beginning only. Yeah, this was all about today, and in the next video we'll start with the Linux basic command lines. We'll start with the vi editor, we'll start with shells and the other DevOps tools which are high in demand today. Okay, so thank you so much. That's all in this video, and stay tuned.